Over the past few days, I have had nothing but crap from fucking creators and moderators. And there have been people coming over to other people that I'm subscribed to and saying nasty shit about me, yeah? Turek is one of them. Another one on the channel that I was on tonight, yeah, claiming that I'm Sky Church. I'm not bloody Sky Church. I'm not bloody a troll, right? I subscribe to these creators because I fucking want to see their content, yeah? Stop your bullshit and effing crap that you're saying about me, yeah? You can get me on Facebook, Emma Llewell Loveday. Go do your fucking research, right? All these moderators and fucking creators, they all have favouritism, right? And all the spanners and all that, fuck it, yeah? I don't give a fuck at the end of the day, right? People on YouTube want to get a fucking life and start fucking taking responsibility and moderating their fucking content, right? If I want to say something, I'm well within my rights to. I've subscribed to you or I've become a member, yeah? Don't take loyalty or let your mods that YouTube is allowed to fucking hide the member or the fucking subscriber, yeah? You creators and moderators, sort yourselves out, right? My channel was supposed to be about bloody word searches, and all you lot have done is made it into fucking bitching and fucking drama, and me having to fucking speak out for myself. Well, I'm sick and tired of it, yeah? I don't want to know any about spanners or bloody creators or anything. You lot, another thing that bothers me about YouTube and all the fucking social media is that the title, yeah, where you lie in the title, you write one thing, and then when you go and click on the video, it's about something else completely different. Sort yourselves out!